I just left a homeowner's house with 3 envelopes filled of $100 bills. Sold another deal today for $9,000, with another one coming behind that for a little over 19, almost 20. So this Marble app is working. It's like having a personal assistant. I can email the customer the estimate, everything right there on the spot, and they look at all the technology. I think it just, I don't know, impresses them. So I upped our rates in there so we can get bigger profits on the jobs. So get ready, because that thing is going to be like an amazing, it's like having another salesperson.